Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gio from Smart Home Makers. Today we're going to look at the Nuki 3.0 and is it actually worth the upgrade if you currently have a Nuki smart lock. So Nuki have released two new smart locks, the 3.0 and the 3.0 Pro. So from a design point of view, the biggest change with this smart lock with the previous one is it comes in an all white design. This all white design is much more appealing to the eye, especially in my example when I have a white door, and you can see the contrast here from the old Nuki 2.0 had that black cover and the actual white one. It sort of blends in a lot more. Installation wise, what did I actually do? So first of all, you need to take the batteries out of the old one. There's a little toggle at the bottom that you need to press. Once you've unclipped it, you should be able to pull it all out. At that point, you should have your key in and you'll have your mounting frame, either the mounting frame A or B. So what I did, I was just left in place what I had previously. So it was super simple. Once I got the device out, it was just a matter of clipping it back in and putting the battery pack. So this time, instead of using the ordinary batteries that are provided, I decided to use the battery pack, which are rechargeable via a USB cable. So at this stage in the app, what you need to do is you need to repair all of your devices and all of your accessories again. So this is a little bit of the time consuming part. Let's say installation probably is around 2 to 3 minutes to get it all done from a hardware point of view. From a software point of view, this is what you're going to need to do. You're going to need to forget the old lock that you had, set the new one up, give it a name, go through the whole setup process depending on what type of front door you have. My one has this door handle that you need to sort of jolt up first manually before it actually works. And once you've done all of that, it's time to pair the accessories. In my example, I have 3 key fobs and the bridge. Now, I decided to use the existing bridge that I already had with Nuki and actually still need to pair that up. But the new bridge actually matches with the same color in white color. The bridge is going to allow you to control the lock outside of Bluetooth range. So for example, with software like Home Assistant and other sort of smart home devices, you can add this easily also to HomeKit, which is something that I did also. So to pair the fobs, you just have to do exactly the same thing that you did before. And once you've paired them all, I would really recommend you testing that the fobs actually work before you decide to leave the house without your phone and just the fobs and realize the fobs are not paired and you get locked out, right? So the price of this door lock is around 149 euros, 129 British pounds. So the price is getting more competitive with this 3.0 version. The version that I had my really eye on was the Pro version. Now the Pro version has a built-in Wi-Fi module. That actually means you don't need the bridge separately and it's all in one device itself. That retails for 269 euros. At the moment of recording, they're sold out and they're difficult to get to. But if I do get one in the future, I will let you know and I'll make a comparison between the Pro and the 3.0. The main takeaways of this video that I want to leave you with is that the 3.0 is superior in a few aspects. One, in terms of the aesthetics, but that's again could be personal. 2, it has a quieter locking sound compared to the previous one. It should also have better battery management, but I haven't tested that as I just recently installed it a couple of weeks ago. But I'll tell you that the 2.0 version without the battery pack was consuming a lot of energy. Now this might have been because of my son playing with the lock constantly and turning it on, turning it off. So my life cycle, my battery life cycle was shorter than what probably you might experience in your own environment. But like I was changing it maybe every quarter, every 2 to 3 months. So I hope that with the battery pack, they will last longer and also they're more environmentally friendly in the sense that I don't have batteries that I need to constantly recycle. So it's a great product. The Nuki door lock, I would recommend it in general. If you have the 2.0, I would probably wait for the Pro version to upgrade unless you are super keen on the white design and the aesthetics. That might actually work out for you. Now, if you want to know what I actually do in my smart home with door locks, I'll leave a video right here. If you enjoyed this video, drop it a like and subscribe for more smart home reviews. This was Gio from Smart Home Makers. See ya, ciao.